The DroiX Black Friday sale has started. In this video we are highlighting 3 of our high-end mini PCs which are currently on sale. They are great for everything from home and office work right through to Windows gaming. The MinisForum X500 features an AMD Ryzen desktop CPU for very high performance. If processing power is essential, then this is definitely one to consider. The MinisForum HX90 towers above many mini PCs, although you can have it flat if you want to. It's one of our fastest models with an AMD Ryzen 9 processor, making it perfect for your day-to-day tasks as well as gaming. The DroiX Proteus 10S is a high-performance mini PC available in i5 and i7 models with up to 32 gigs of RAM and 1TB of SSD. Learn more at droix.co.uk and save big on our range of products from mini PCs, gaming handhelds and Android TV boxes.